Okay, let's go.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
Hi, friends. So nice to have you here again.
In today's episode, we're learning English for family, weather, and hobbies. All things you can talk about every single day.
We'll repeat words, practice sentences, and have a little fun along the way.
Yes, so grab your notebook, a drink, and maybe your dog, and let's begin. Family is one of our favorite topics. We talk about it all the time.
That's true. So let's start with some family words. Repeat after me. Mother,
Father,
brother,
sister,
son,
daughter,
grandmother,
grandfather,
uncle,
aunt,
cousin.
family,
Let's repeat again, slower this time.
mother,
Father,
brother,
sister,
son, daughter, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin, family. Now, let's make some easy sentences. This is my mother. This is my father. I have 2 brothers. My sister is funny. My grandmother is kind.
Now you, listener, repeat after us.
Excellent.
Mark, tell us about your family.
Okay. My mother is a teacher. My father is a doctor. And I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
A smart family. I have 1 brother too. My mother is a nurse and my father is an engineer.
Now you say, I have brothers and sisters.
Perfect.
Let's move on to the weather.
Oh yes, weather, everyone's favorite small talk topic.
Let's learn some weather words. Repeat after us. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, cold, hot, warm, cool.
Let's make some sentences.
It is sunny today. It is cold and windy. It is hot in summer. It is rainy and cloudy.
Your turn, listener. Repeat each one.
Now, a mini conversation.
Hi, Anna.
How's the weather today?
It's warm and sunny. What about you?
It's raining here. I need an umbrella.
Oh no, don't forget your jacket.
Now you, listener, say, it's sunny. It's rainy. It's cold today.
Perfect. You're sounding great. Now, let's talk about hobbies. What you love doing in your free time.
Here are some common hobbies. Repeat after us.
Both, slowly,
Reading, cooking, dancing, singing, drawing, playing football, playing guitar, watching movies, running, swimming.
Let's make sentences.
I like reading. I love cooking. I like to play football. I like watching movies. I don't like running.
Now your turn, listener. Repeat after us.
Great.
Mark, what's your hobby?
I like playing guitar and reading science books. You?
I love dancing and watching movies.
Now, you tell us, I like. Now, you tell us, I like. Let's play a short game. I'll start a sentence, you finish it.
Here we go.
My favorite hobby is.
The weather today is.
In my family, I have.
I like to eat when it's hot.
Nice! Now, let's review what we learned today.
We learned family words: mother, father, sister. Weather words: sunny, rainy, cold. Hobbies: reading, cooking, dancing.
Let's check your memory. Question 1. What do you say when it's raining?
It's raining.
Question 2. What's your favorite hobby?
Maybe swimming, drawing, or reading.
Question 3. What do you call your father's mother?
Grandmother.
Excellent. Okay, time for a listening quiz. I will read a short paragraph. Listen carefully and answer the questions after. Ready?
Let's go.
Hello, my name is Leo. I live in a small town with my family. My mother is a teacher and my father is a baker. I have one sister. She loves dancing. Today, the weather is sunny and hot. I like this weather because I can go swimming. In the evening, I play guitar and watch movies.
Great story. Now let's ask a few questions.
Question 1. What is Leo's father's job?
A baker.
Question 2. How many sisters does he have?
One sister.
Question 3. What's the weather like?
It's sunny and hot.
Question 4. What does he like to do in the evening?
He plays guitar and watches movies.
Perfect! You did a great job today.
Yes, you learned new words, practiced speaking, and listened carefully.
Remember, speak a little English every day about your family, the weather, and your hobbies.
The more you speak, the easier it gets.
Thanks for joining Everyday English with Mark and Anna, Lesson 2.
See you next time for Lesson 3. We'll talk about places, directions, and travel.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.